Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. This is the 6th video in how to create a website series. Today we are going to talk about how to create 403 and 404 pages. Now right-click on my site folder. Create a new folder. Name it Errors. Right-click on the Errors folder. Create a new file. And then make another new file. In this page, paste the lines in and save it. Do the same in the other page and change the page not found to forbidden, and then the title to 403. Now we add some internal and inline CSS to decorate the pages. The internal style is defined inside the style element and placed before the closing tag of the head element. Do the same thing on the other page. In addition, we are going to apply a background color for the body element of the two pages. Now replace this line with the body tag and save it. Do the same on the other page. And then save it. Click on the XAMMP control panel icon on the taskbar to start the Apache server. I have already configured my Apache to start automatically on every launch of the control panel. You can do this by clicking on the config button at the top right corner here. Click. And then tick the checkbox of Apache here in the Auto Start of Modules section and save it. Click Save and close the window. Minimize it. Open your favorite browser. Type localhost my site on the address bar and press Enter. It displays a directory listing of the content of our site. It is because most web servers start out with the directory structure visible when someone comes to a site directory without an index page. To avoid the transparency of our site architecture, we have to create the index page for our site. This will be done in the next video. Now click on the Errors folder. And then click on the 403 page. It displays our forbidden page. And then click on the Home button. It takes us back to our site index listing. Try the same for the 404 page. It displays our page not found. Now the error pages work fine with a better looking. OK. In the next video, we will talk about how to create the htaccess file and the index page for clean URL routing for our website. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.